Fourth one, using Green's theorem, evaluate integral over C y minus sin x into dx plus cos x dy, where C is the plane triangle enclosed by the lines y equal to 0, that is x-axis, x is equal to pi by 2, that is the line parallel to y-axis, and y is equal to 2 by pi x, straight line passing through the origin, slope is 2 by pi. Now solution, here C is the plane triangle enclosed by the lines y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 2 by pi x. We have to evaluate the line integration, integral over C y minus sin x into dx plus cos x dy over the curve C, where C is the plane triangle enclosed by the lines y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and y equal to 2 pi by x. Given that C is the plane triangle enclosed by the lines y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2 and y is equal to 2 by pi x. Now draw the curve for this, x, drawing x-axis and y-axis. Y equal to 0 is the x-axis, x is equal to pi by 2 is the line parallel to y-axis. X equal to pi by 2 is the line parallel to y-axis. Since x equal to k is the line parallel to y-axis, and y is equal to 2 by pi into x is the straight line passing through the origin. Y is equal to 2 by pi into x. Now this is the region of integration bounded by these lines. Shading the region bounded by these plane triangle. Region of integration this is the region of integration bounded by the lines y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2, y equal to 2 by pi x. Here integral over c y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy, m is equal to y minus sin x and n is equal to cos x dx. Comparing with the Green's theorem, so in the line integration we are writing m and n, and in the right hand side we have dou by dou x of n and dou by dou x of m. We are calculating dou by dou x of n, that is a partial derivative of n with respect to x minus sin x. Dou by of m, partial derivative with respect to y, derivative of y is 1 and sin x is a constant, therefore its derivative is 0. Now dou by dou x of n minus dou by y of m is equal to minus sin x minus 1, therefore minus sin x minus 1. We are taking minus as a common factor, 1 plus sin x. Now by Green's theorem, we have integral over c m dx plus n dy equal to double integral over r dou by dou x of n minus dou by y of m with respect to x and y. Therefore, here the region of integration R is bounded by the lines y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2, y equal to 2 pi by x. This is O origin, this is a pi by 2 comma 0, since x equal to pi by 2, y is equal to 0. Therefore, to cover this region of integration, we are considering the vertical strip. So, vertical strip, lower strip lies on y equal to 0 and upper strip lies on y is equal to 2 pi by x. Here, this is the point A, this is the point B. So, this is the entire region of integration OA, BO. 0, 0 origin. This is the vertical strip we have considered to cover the entire region, that is the vertical strip is a PQ. So where the lower strip of the vertical strip lies on the line y equal to 0. Therefore, P lies on the y equal to 0. Therefore, and x varies from 0 to pi by 2. Upper strip of the PQ lies on the line y equal to 2x by pi. Therefore, y varies from 0 to 2 by pi x and x varies from 0 to pi by 2. The region of integration OA BO to cover the region of integration, consider the vertical strip PQ therefore y varies from y equal to 0 to y equal to 2x by pi, as the lower strip lies on y equal to 0 and upper strip lies on y equal to 2x by pi. X varies from x equal to 0 to x equal to pi by 2. To cover this region, so this PQ slides from left to right. Therefore, x varies from 0 to pi by 2. Integral over C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over R dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m. Y we already calculated, that is minus of 1 plus sin x dy dx, as y varies from 0 to 2 by pi into x, 2x by pi. Here also 2 by pi into x. X is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Instead of writing 2x by pi, I wrote 2 pi by x. So you make a note, that is 2 by pi into x. So 2x by pi. Now integrating with respect to y and then with respect to x, as the limits of y in terms of x and x limits are constants. While integrating with respect to y, x is a constant. Now integrating with respect to y first and then with respect to x. Now integrating with respect to y, minus 1 plus sin x is a constant. Therefore, integral x is equal to 0 to pi by 2 minus 1 plus sin x is a constant. Integration of 1 with respect to y, that is y limits 0 to 2x by pi into dx. Now substituting the upper limit minus lower limit x equal to 0 to pi by 2 minus of 1 plus sin x. We are writing minus outside of the integration, and upper limit 2 by pi into x minus lower limit 0 into dx. That is equal to minus 2 by pi, we are writing it outside of the integration, x equal to 0 to pi by 2 x into 1 plus sin x. As per the Euler rule, we are writing x into 1 plus sin x. Algebra first, trigonometry next. This is of the form f of x into g of x. Therefore, integration by parts. Therefore, here we can apply Aramar's method. First, derivative of f of x, derivative of that is x, integration of g of x, integration of 1 plus sin x. Therefore, derivative of x 1 and derivative of 1 0, integration of 1 plus sin x, integration of 1 that is x, integration of sin x minus cos x, and integration of x that is x square by 2 minus integration of cos x that is sin x, arrow marks for multiplication. Last one is 0, 0 into any one is 0, therefore we are not drawing the arrow mark, we are not multiplying. Therefore, alternatively plus and minus for multiplication, that is plus and minus. Now multiplying x into integral over c m dx plus n dy is equal to x into, already we are having minus 2 by pi outside of the integration, therefore minus 2 by pi into x into x minus cos x plus sin and minus x square by 2 minus sin x into 1 minus x square by 2 minus sin x limits 0 to pi by 2. Now substituting upper limit minus lower limit, minus 2 by pi, upper limit pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, so pi by 2 into pi by 2, that is pi square by 4. Minus upper limit pi square by 4 into 2, pi square by 8, 4 into 2 8, pi square by 4 into 2 8 minus sin 90 1 sin 0 0, upper limit sin pi by 2, lower limit sin 0, therefore minus of minus plus sin 90 value 1, sin 0 value 0. Now minus 2 by pi into pi square by 4 minus pi square by 8, that is pi square by 8 pi square by 4 is a common factor, therefore 1 minus 1 by 2, that becomes 1 by 2. Pi square by 4 into 1 by 2, that is pi square by 8. Plus 1. Therefore, minus 2 by pi into pi square by 8. Pi gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 4s. Therefore, that is equal to minus 2 by pi into 1 is minus 2 by pi. That is equal to minus pi cancel. 2 ones, 2 4s cancel. That is pi by 4. Plus 2 by pi. This is the required answer. Integral over C m dx plus n dy. But m is equal to y minus sin x into dx plus n value cos x into dx. So, by evaluation of line integration by using the Green's theorem, this is the beauty of the Green's theorem. So, instead of evaluating line integral, we find out this value by using the double integration. So, Green's theorem is the relation between line integration and the double integration in the plane. So, we calculated this line integration by using the Green's theorem. If you want to evaluate this line integration directly, so we have to evaluate along OA plus along AB plus along BO, and then add all these three line integrations. We get the line integration along C. C is the plane triangle. So, but by Green's theorem, we are evaluating simply this line integration by using the double integration without evaluating the line integral. Now, problem number 5. Apply Green's theorem to evaluate integral over C 2x square minus y square into dx plus x square plus y square into dy. Where C is the boundary of the area enclosed by the x-axis and the upper half of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, solution. Here C is the, here m equal to 2x square minus y square dx plus x square plus y square dy, where C is the boundary of the area enclosed by the x-axis and the upper half of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, solution, write down the given integral over c 2x square minus y square dx plus x square plus y square into dy where c is the boundary of the area. Here m is equal to 2x square minus y square and n is equal to x square plus y square. Let m equal to 2x square minus y square and n is equal to x square plus y square. Now dou by dou x of n, partial derivative of n with respect to x. X square derivative is 2x as y is constant, and dou by y of m. Here partial derivative with respect to y, so x is a constant, y square derivative is minus 2y, 2x square is constant, y square is variable, minus 2y. Therefore, dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m is equal to 2x minus of minus plus 2y, that is 2 is a common factor, x plus y. Therefore, dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m value is equal to 2 into x plus y. Now, by using Green's theorem, we have to evaluate the line integral over C. First, we have to draw the region of integration. X-axis and y-axis. This is x, this is y. Negative x-axis, positive x-axis. So, our circle x square plus y square, upper half of the circle, that is the circle centered at origin, and radius is a units. O is the origin, our circle is centered at origin and radius is a units. Therefore, upper half of the circle, and it is bounded by the x-axis. Now, shading the region bounded by the x-axis and the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. X-axis, upper half of the circle, this is the area bounded by the x-axis and the circle, whose radius is r is equal to a. Radius is the distance from the origin onto the boundary. This is the circle, x square plus y square equal to a square, upper half of the circle. This is theta 0 degrees angle in the circle. So, here theta is equal to 180 degrees, that is 5 radians. So, starting angle is 0 and upper half of the circle ends at theta is equal to 180 degrees, that is 5 radians. This is the area bounded by the upper half of this circle and the x-axis. Circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now by Green's theorem, integral over C here we are using the polar coordinates, polar form of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square before applying the Green's theorem. X equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Since x square is equal to r square cos square theta, y square is equal to r square sin square theta. R square is a common factor. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to r square. By Jacobian, dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. Now, dou x comma y by dou r comma theta equal to r. By cross multiplication, dx dy is equal to r into dr d theta. This is from Jacobian. Here theta varies from 0 to pi by 2 and r radius varies from 0 to a. R varies from 0 to a. This is the region of integration, area bounded by x-axis and the circle. Here A is the region of integration. As shown in the adjacent figure. Origin to boundary, that is r varies from 0 to a. Here theta varies from 0 to pi by 2 and r radius varies from 0 to a, as shown in the diagram. R is a radius, it is distance from the origin to the boundary, it is a non-negative quantity, so R varies from 0 to a. By Green's theorem, we have integral over C m dx plus n dy equal to double integral over r dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of n into dx dy. Therefore, double integral, this value we already calculated, dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m, that is 2 into x plus y. We are writing 2 outside. Therefore, here we are using polar coordinate representation of the circle to integrate the double integration. 2 into here x r cos theta y r sin theta. We will show it. And dx dy is equal to r dr d theta. Theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. R varies from 0 to a. This is 2 into r equal to 0 to a. Theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. R is a common factor. R into r square. Therefore, cos theta plus sin theta into dr d theta. Since both the limits are constant, we can integrate either with respect to theta or with respect to r first, and finally with respect to any variable. Therefore, now here x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, we substituted. Therefore, 2 into integral r equal to 0 to a r square dr theta equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos theta plus sin theta d theta and r square with respect to r, 2 into r cube by 3, limits 0 to a, and cos theta with respect to theta integration is sin theta. Sin theta integration is minus cos theta. Theta limits 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, substituting upper limit minus lower limit, 2 by 3, upper limit a cube minus lower limit 0, and sin pi by 2 minus sin 0, sin 90 1, sin 0 0, minus cos 90 minus cos 0. Therefore, sin 90 1, sin 0 0, minus of cos 90 value 0, minus of minus plus cos 0 1. So therefore, that is 1 plus 1, 2 into 2, 4 by 3 a cube. This is the required answer of line integration. But we calculated this line integration by using the Green's theorem. That means by using the double integration. So m is 2x square minus y square into dx plus x square plus y square into dy. This is our required integration. This is the advantage of the Green's theorem.